Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in again. Before I get into that, I want you guys to acknowledge my hair, okay? It's pink. It's like blonde, honey blonde, and pink, okay? This hair is from DSoar Hair, and let me tell you, I put this hair through everything. I bleached it 4 times, and then I bleached it 4 times, and then I toned it, and then I did the pink, and the hair is still here. Like, it didn't fall off of the weft. Like, it's not doing anything. It's staying here, and it's being tame, and it's being good, and it's giving me life. So let me just tell you what this hair looks like at first. Boom. This dark, okay? This dark. And of course the pattern was way more defined at first. I did like a little twist out with this, but let me show you. It's so soft. It's a nice curly pattern. They sent me a closure and 4 bundles. So 14, 14, 16, 16. And let me tell you, this hair is so soft, and it is completely, extremely durable, as you can tell. I think I might straighten it too. I don't know, but all the info is down below. And by the way, I made this wig. Like I said, they sent me bundles, so I got back into my wig making and I made a wig. How do you think? What do you think? How do you feel? How do you feel? I'm excited. It's looking kind of a little cray, but I made her. And I love her. What should I call her? What should I call her? Guys, give me a name down below. So she is light roots and pink ends. Tell me what I should call her. I was thinking Sheena. For some reason, I'm thinking Sheena. What about Brooke? Brooke? Girls, if you ever just don't feel like doing your got to be glued and all that good stuff, give yourself a cute little headband, a scarf, whatever, and make that your style for the day. This is my style for the day. I needed a change. I needed some color, and I got it. So yes, thank you DSoar for sending me the hair. I love you guys so much. Let me know how you like this look. I love you guys. I hope your 2018 is going well, and remember, thank God for everything you have, because it's not going to be anything but blessings raining down, more blessings once you acknowledge him. Love you guys so much. Have a beautiful, wonderful day.